How to set off fingerprint on Redmi device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can set off the fingerprint on your Redmi device. So to set off the fingerprint on your Redmi device, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to go to your mobile setting on your Redmi device and you have to scroll down and go for the password and security here. So on your password and security, you can see the fingerprint unlock. Then you have to write your password here. Then go for the next option. Once you have Once you have write your password, then here you can see the fingerprint unlock. Then you have to go for the 8 fingerprint. Again, you have to confirm your password on your device. Then go for the next option. So to add your fingerprint on your Redmi device, you have to place the fingerprint on the fingerprint scanner. So here you have to place off your fingerprint scanner. So here you have to place the fingerprint on your fingerprint scanner. So you have to place your fingerprint here until the fingerprint has completed on the given screen. So here you can see that fingerprint has been saved. Go for the done option. And after go back, then you have to lock your phone, then you have to place your fingerprint there, then you can easily unlock your phone. With the help of this process, you can easily set up your fingerprint on your Redmi device, which will require your password or pin, then you can set up that. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.